Hey there, science fans. Today we're diving into the exciting world of motion with Newton's laws. You know those rules that govern how things move? Sir Isaac Newton, that brilliant mind, figured these laws out centuries ago. There are three main ones. The first law tells us that objects like to keep doing what they're already doing. An object at rest stays at rest. An object in motion stays in motion. The second law explains how force, mass, and acceleration all relate. More force means more acceleration. But today, we're focusing on Newton's third law of motion. Get ready to have some fun with forces and reactions. Newton's third law is super cool. It states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Sounds simple, right? But it's a powerful idea that explains so much about how things move. Let's break it down. Action means a force. When you push on something, that's an action force. Now here comes the reaction. The object you push back pushes on you with an equal force in the opposite direction. That's the reaction force. Remember, these forces are always equal in size but opposite in direction. They work in pairs. One force can't exist without the other. Newton's third law is everywhere. Let's see it in action with some everyday examples. Think about walking. When you take a step, you push backward on the ground with your foot. Action force. What happens next? The ground pushes back on your foot with an equal force propelling you forward. Reaction force. Pretty neat, huh? Swimming is another great example. When you swim, you push the water backward with your arms and legs. Action force. The water then pushes you forward with an equal force. Reaction force, allowing you to glide through the water. Ever been in a car? When the car's engine turns the wheels, the tires push backward on the road. Action force. The road pushes back on the tires with an equal force, moving the car forward. Reaction force. See? Physics in action. Newton's third law isn't just some abstract idea. It's a fundamental principle that governs our world. Understanding this law helps us explain and predict how objects move and interact. From rockets launching into space to birds soaring through the air, Newton's third law is at play. It's the reason why we can jump, swim, and even just stand still on the ground. So next time you're walking, swimming, or driving, remember Newton's third law. It's a reminder that forces always come in pairs, shaping the way we move and interact with the world around us. Keep those science brains buzzing and remember to stay curious and explore everything.